You know, it's been raining here since 9:30 this morning, and it's still raining right now. Just a little mist. I don't think the camera's going to pick this up, but even the rain is not the same now. It's not coming down, it's floating down. Very strange. Even when it was coming down harder, it seemed to be floating instead of raining down. Hard to explain, even, but very, very strange. In this solar geoengineered, climate changed, weaponized weather. Anyway, I just wanted to point that out and see if anybody else noticed. Well, the sun's trying to peek itself out as another plane flies over. Way the hell up there above those high clouds. Had rain all day, if you can call it that. Certainly wasn't coming down in raindrops. This is all I hear around here anymore. Sorry, I just gotta move the camera here a little bit. Skies are always crazy. The clouds are weird after a rain. There's a crow just flew by. One of the residents of my neighborhood here. Look at the color of those clouds, and in between those clouds. If that is in between them, then that's just not some other layer that we can't see through. That sky doesn't look very blue. Wow. Those planes just keep flying over. Behind the cloud of the hiding behind the clouds, I should say.
They love spraying when they can hide behind the clouds. Just go to town.
Man, those are nasty looking clouds blocking the sun right now. I can almost look at it with my naked eyes without even bothering me. Crow. As another plane flies over. Man, they gotta be up there high. Can't see him.
It's unbelievable, these layers and levels of clouds. Just look how it absorbs the light and just leaves the sun as a ball. No light rays emanating anywhere. Thanks for watching. Cheers.